Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to say how to install IntelliJ IDEA from Windows 11. So first go to Google Chrome and search for IntelliJ IDEA download. And this is the official website you need to download. So go to this JetBeans website. And from here, you need to download this IntelliJ IDEA. And this is the current version of the IntelliJ IDEA. And we have here different operating systems, Windows, Mac OS, Linux. So I'm going to download it on Windows. And we have here ultimate and community edition. So ultimate is for paid version and community edition is for free. So I'm going to download this community edition. So download it started. Once download completes, double click on this IntelliJ IDEA. So minimize the screen. So click on next. So here is the destination folder where JetBean folder will be available. So click on next, and here you can select the checkbox. So to create a desktop shortcut, you can check this box. So to add bin folder to path, you can check this checkbox. And to open folder as a project, you can check this box. And here we have different languages. So you can select this Java and click on next. And here the JetBeans folders will be available. So click on install. So it will take for a few seconds. The installation is in progress. Let's wait for a few seconds. So once installation completes, you can finish this. So this IntelliJ IDEA shortcut will be available in your desktop. So you can open this IntelliJ IDEA. So you can, I'm keeping as to not input settings. So from here, you can create a new projects of your Java projects. So thanks for watching this video.